Here are 16 settings Apple employees use on their iPhones but never tell their customers. These will make your iPhone faster, your battery last longer, and your privacy much stronger. Let's get into it. Block email spies. Every marketing email you open contains a tiny invisible image. When it loads, it tells the sender exactly when you opened it and your rough location. Apple has a tool to stop this completely. Go to Settings, Apps, Mail, Privacy Protection, turn on Protect Mail Activity. Turn off animations with reduced motion. Every time you open or close an app, your iPhone plays a zoom animation. It takes half a second. If you open your phone 50 times a day, that adds up and puts unnecessary strain on your processor. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, turn on Reduce Motion. Your phone will instantly feel faster and snappier. Turn on Haptic Keyboard Feedback. Typing on glass is hard because you cannot feel the keys. Apple added a feature that makes your phone vibrate slightly with every keystroke, just like a real keyboard. It is turned off by default, but turning it on makes a big difference to your typing accuracy. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Keyboard Feedback, turn on Haptic. Activate the secret back tap button. There's a hidden button on your iPhone that you cannot see. The Apple logo on the back of your iPhone can detect taps. You can program it to do almost anything. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, scroll to the bottom, Back Tap, set Double Tap to Screenshot or Camera, set Triple Tap to Torch. Now you can turn on the torch without even looking at your screen. Automate typing with text replacement. You type the same things every day. Your email, your address, your phone number. Stop typing them out completely. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement, tap the plus sign. In phrase, enter your email address. In shortcut, enter 2 symbols. Now every time you type @, your full email address appears automatically. You can do the same for your phone number and home address. Tune your AirPods with headphone accommodations. Most people think AirPods sound the way they sound and you cannot change it. That is wrong. There's a hidden equalizer inside your iPhone that makes calls and podcasts sound much clearer. Put your AirPods and then go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio and Visual, Headphone Accommodations, turn it on. Select Vocal Range for clearer voices or Brightness for better music. Use the hidden keyboard trackpad. Editing text on iPhone is frustrating because your finger is too big to tap exactly where you made a typo. But your keyboard is actually a trackpad just like on a laptop. Open any app where you can type, press and hold the space bar until the letters disappear. Now slide your finger around to move the cursor anywhere with perfect precision. Never take a crooked photo again. Have you ever taken a photo only to find the horizon is completely crooked? Apple includes 2 tools to fix this, but they are turned off by default. Go to Settings, Camera, turn on Grid, and turn on Level. The grid helps you center your shot, and the level shows a line that turns yellow when your phone is perfectly straight. Scan any text instead of typing it. Need to save a recipe from a book or copy a tracking number from a label? Stop typing it manually. Your iPhone camera can scan any text and type it for you instantly. Open Notes or any app you can type in, tap the screen to bring up the cursor, tap again to see the pop-up menu, look for the Scan Text option, point your camera at the text and it will type itself automatically. Stop Wi-Fi Assist from secretly draining your battery. Your iPhone has a setting called Wi-Fi Assist. When your Wi-Fi gets weak, your phone automatically switches to mobile data. Sounds helpful, but it constantly tests your Wi-Fi speed in the background, which drains your battery and eats your data without you noticing. Go to Settings, Mobile Services, scroll all the way to the bottom, turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Handle background app refresh the smart way. Apps like Instagram and Facebook keep refreshing in the background even when you are not using them. If you have 50 apps doing this, your battery never gets a break. Do not turn it off completely or your emails won't get updates. Instead, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, change it to Wi-Fi only. Then go back and turn it off for apps like Uber, Amazon, TikTok that do not need update instantly. Switch 5G from on to auto. 5G is fast, but it forces your phone to maintain a high-speed signal even when you are just sending a text. This drains your battery up to 20% faster. Go to Settings, Mobile Services, Mobile Data Options, Voice and Data, Select 5G Auto. Your phone will now use 5G only when it actually needs it. Use the dark pixel trick. If you have an iPhone X or newer, your screen is OLED. On an OLED screen, black pixels are completely turned off, which means they use zero battery. A white screen uses maximum battery, a black screen uses minimum. Go to Settings, Display and Brightness, select Dark, and for maximum effect, set a mostly black wallpaper. Clear your significant location history. Your iPhone quietly logs everywhere you go. Where you live, where you work, how often you visit, and exactly when you arrived and left. If someone ever gets into your phone, they have a complete map of your daily life. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, System Services, Significant Locations, turn it off, tap Clear History. Stop being Apple's free beta tester. Every day your iPhone sends reports to Apple about how your phone behaves, crash, battery usage, your voice commands. You are basically working for Apple for free and it is using your battery and data to do it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements, turn off Share iPhone Analytics. Also, turn off Improve Siri and Dictation if you do not want Apple reviewing your voice commands. Stop Safari from preloading sites. When you start typing in Safari, it guesses what you want and loads that website in the background before you even tap Go. You might never visit that page, but it already has your IP address and we already used your data for it. Go to Settings, Apps, Safari, Search section, turn off Preload Top Hit. And that's all 16 settings. Every single one of these is sitting inside your iPhone right now, just waiting to be turned on or off. Now I want to hear from you. Which settings surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss videos like this. And if you know someone who is always complaining about their iPhone battery, share this video with them. It might just save their phone. See you in the next one.